Inside. Kicks out, launches 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Region 4A. Calabarzon launches on 3 on the corner. Bang! 3 points. Inbound here. Region 4A. At the middle. Fakes. Drives. Basket and 1! Pinatas sa corner. Tumira sa corner. Bucket! Off the mark. Rebound still, long 3. Bang! 3 points. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3! Bucket. And the last throw. Bucket pa rin. 13. Calabarzon sa 3. Recovered Julio. Pull up J. Long 2. Bucket. And Team Calabarzon here, pass on the inside, lays up, bucket is good, and holds. Team Calabarzon here, pass on the inside, lays. Minutes and 30 seconds, cross, wide open for 3, bam! Julio! John Calabarzon, number 10, natapikan dito, pass on the inside, number 10, pinabitin sa kalbila. Number 10, natapikan dito, pass on the inside, number 10, pinabit. Calabarzon, number 10, natapikan dito, pass on the inside, number 10, pinabitin sa kalbila.
That's the count.
Basketball number 10.